Hello, mayong adlaw. Udto gabi ni jung tanan. Ako dai si Lift Ian M. Dulya, BSA 1 Section D student. Ug karon amo among tackle ang chapter 4 extinguishment of obligation na continuation. So mao ni among topic. Subsection 1 application of payments, subsection 2 payment of by session. So in subsection 1 I will be the one who will be discussing, and subsection 2 my partner Rufin will be the one who will discuss it. So in subsection 1 application of payments, article 1252, he who has various debts of the same kind in favor of one and the same creditor may declare at the time of making the payment to which of them the same must be applied, unless the parties so stipulate or when the application of payment is made by the party for whose benefit the term has been constituted. Application shall not be made as to debts which are not yet due. If the debtor accepts from the creditor a receipt in which an application of the payment is made, the former cannot complain of the same unless there is a cause for invalidating the contract. So in Article 1252, ang gipasabot ini is ang mga nangutang sa pareha nga giutangan is kitay ang nangutang usa is ning hangyo siya nga kung kanus ni baryan ang isang giutang, ikapod nga nangutang is pwede po ka musundog sa iyang gibuhat. Applicable ra ni og pareha mo og giutangan. So what is application payment? So in application of payment may be defined as designation the debt to which the payment must be applied when the debtor has several obligations of the same kind in favor of the same creditor. So in application of payment is applicable rin siya if ang nangutang is andaghana na siyang utang sa yutangan niya ug hapit na ang due ining mga utang niya. So requisites of application of payment, so mao ning upat. There must be only one debtor and only one creditor. There must be two or more debts of the same kind. All of the debts must be due, and the amount paid by the debtor must not be sufficient to cover the total amount of all the debts. So mao lagi ning naay usa ra ka nangutang o usa ka nagpautang. So naay duha or daghang pang-utang ang nangutang sa iyang giutangan. O kinahanglan ang tanang utang niya is due na, o the amount paid, so sa ikaupat kinahanglan ang gibayad sa nangutang is dili ma-cover tanan iyang utang. So money rules on application of payments, money upat. So agaw maka-example ini is ining application of payment is kitay ako nga nangutang na ko'y utang sa giutangan nga 2k, 1.5 ug 1k. So ang among ikasabutan is sa application of payment namo is 1.5. So kinahanglan ang 1.5 pwede tunaw sa ibayad sa within the 3 ang utang sa 2k, sa 1.5, sa 1k. Pero however, if ang akong gibayad is 1k ra, dili useless ra ang application of payments nato, o dili siya musamot jag dili sufficient sa akong pagbayad sa utang. So mo to siya. So in article 1253, if the debt produces interest, payment of the principal shall not be deemed to have been made until the interest have been covered. So ang example ini is kung ang ako nga nangutang is with interest hanggang giutang inigdyo ato if dili na mabaryan ang giutang with interest or kita mubayad ako nga mao lagi na way mubayad ako nga way interest dili gyapon to sa dawaton mao nay article 253 ang gipasabot dili dili dawaton sa nangutang at sa nagpautang ang ibayad sa nangutang if wala na apil ang interest. So in article 1254, when the payment cannot be applied in accordance with the preceding rules or if application be inferred from other circumstances, the debt which is most onerous to the debtor among those due shall be deemed to have been satisfied. If the debts due are of the same nature and burden, the payment shall be applied to all of the proportionately. So in Article 254, ang gipasabot dira is kung ako nga nangutang is dili na jud mada og application payments tambak na gud nga tambak ang mga utang. So ang utang nga pinakadako kitay katong utang nga 5k mao ra to ang bariyan kay mao may pinakadako mao may gisulti diri sa article 1254 kay if dili na jud mada kasagaran jud mahitabo na ni is mga adik sa casino ana sa bangko mo na ilang ikuan di na jud nila mada og bayad mo nang ag ilang ag ilan na lamang baryan is to ag kadtong pinakadako nilang utang. So mao ra to. So in subsection 2 payment by session ag mo discuss na ni is ang akong partner na si Rufin o I hope nga nay nasabtan gyapon bisig gamay og mao ra to daghang salamat.
For subsection 2, payment by session, Article 1255, the debtor may cede or assign his creditor in payment of his debts. Cession, formal giving up of rights and property. Cession or assignment may be defined as a special form of payment whereby the debtor abandons all his property for the benefit of his creditor in order that from the proceeds thereof the latter may be obtained payment of their credits. Cession is a formal giving up of rights, property, territory by the state. Requisite of payment by cession. Number 1, there must be two or more creditors. On Article 1255 contemplates the existence of two or more creditors that involves the assignment of all debtors' property. Number 2, the debtor must be partially or relatively insolvent. And 3, there must be an acceptance of cession by the creditors. The effect of payment by cession. This cession, unless there is a stipulation to a contrary, shall only release the debtor from responsibility for the net proceeds of the thing assigned. It is a condition or requirement that is specific or demanded as part of an agreement. Dation in payment and payment by cession. Distinguish. Dation in payment has only one creditor, and payment by cession has more than one creditor. Thank you so much for listening.